Well, hey there, folks. It's Dub, and I'm back with the June 2019 Cairn box, or bag, as they sometimes do, which allows you to kind of feel what's going on, but honestly, I don't know. I feel something kind of squarish and flexible but firm back here, some kind of packaging. So let's just get into it and see what it is. The quote on this one says, "Make time for the great outdoors." We've heard that before, but it's always true. This one, no knife required, you know? At least that's some kind of a plus. All right. So usually I can open it up and kind of drag stuff out. This one won't do that, so I'm just gonna kind of reach in. Well, first I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little sneak peek and see if I can grab, if I can find the paper. You know what? I don't think I can, so we're just gonna dive into it. All right, first things first. This must have been that the harder but lean thing here. All right. So this is Snap Pack, Snap Fold Solo Pack, and what it looks to be is kind of like a dishware set that is flat itself. Let's see if we can make this work. Let's tear that real quick. Oh yeah, no instructions on that. A little tape or a little tab here on each end. So we'll grab the smallest one, and there's actually size measurings on it, and you can see how these little corner folds happen. And there's a hole right there. So you put that through, snap that together, do that one. See here, and then go that direction with it, and then that direction. And the folds kind of already, I've never done this before, so these folds kind of line up themselves and actually gives you, I don't know if this is a measuring cup or a cereal bowl or what, but that's the concept. And this is the smallest one. They make larger ones. This is the only one that seems to actually have any kind of a sizing on there, so if you needed a cup to measure out, liquid portions, it looks like, let's see, that one was the smallest. Are these two the exact same size? No, this one is slightly larger. So you get about 3 different sizes. Oh, I take it back. It looks like this one also has some measurements on it. So just the largest one, which maybe this makes more of a big plate or a platter or something. Let's see here. Go ahead and put them all together and just see what we get. Oh, wrong way. There we go. And like that. Okay. Well, there it is. It's kind of like a little bowl / plate, kind of in between. So kind of a cool deal. I mean, if you were out there and you want to use it as a cup and that as a bowl, I think it'll work. Interesting stuff. And that is, I mean, super duper lightweight. I don't know if it says what this is made out of. Again, this is Snap Fold by Solo Pack. Packs flat, durable and reusable, non-stick, odor-free, easy clean surface, and BPA-free. So that's great. See, anything else here? Caution. Use only as intended, particularly with hot foods or liquids that could cause injury. This product is not a toy. So it does seem you could put, alright, so here we go. So we've got a cup, a bowl, and a dish is what they're saying. So that's the 3-piece. Camping, car, home, travel. So I'll have to look into what you have to do with the heat, but apparently you could do something with some warm foods too. That's very cool. Alright. Let's see what is next here in the packaging. Alright, so here's our paperwork. This is what I was digging for earlier. I like to kind of show these off, but I don't usually go over it myself. So I just kind of show it here to the camera. Y'all can take a look at it if you're interested in what it has. You can either pause it, order your own, or they say, hit me up. That one could be yours. Alright, moving along with that. Next thing in here. This is the Go Tube. The Civilized Squeezable Travel Tube. Alright, cool. So, I mean, if you've got, like, your condiments and whatnot, instead of bringing something really large, if you've got, olive oil for cooking, or you got, mustard, mayonnaise, whatever you got working on there, this is kind of like a rubbery, squishy, Let's see if we can tear one of these out of here and get a look at what is going on. So you do have some kind of a little removable deal here. You can fill it up. It looks like you can pull this clip off and pull it apart and probably clean it for health reasons if you've used it, or you swap whatever you're putting in there. It is 2.5 ounces, so I mean you could fly on a plane with that. I think 3 ounces is what they've got, so if you end up using it for, I don't know, hair gel or something else, I guess you could do that. I believe, see, so no drip valve, food use. There is a little bit of an asterisk there on food use, so I'm sure there is some kind of a condition they're going to say. Food use. Made with FDA food-safe materials, rinse before use. If used for food, follow all expiration dates, refrigeration, so on and so forth. So, yeah, I mean, you could use it for whatever you wanted to, including food. All right, awesome. So we have some lightweight little travel food deals here, and I felt like there was maybe one more thing in here. Usually there's a food item, and I mean, these are obviously food items, but there is an actual food item. All right, and this is from Kate's Real Food. This is a lemon coconut bar. We're looking at non-GMO, all-natural honey, and gluten-free, USDA organic. Real food, real energy, great taste. So it gives a little bit of a background here in the 90s. I guess Kate was a ski bum out of Jackson Hole, and it runs down why she obviously made up ones that she wanted to do. So, as I try and do, if I can, and looks like this one will work with us pretty well, is give you a shot at the nutrition facts there. So you want to take a look at that. But if you're not looking at it, what we're looking at here is 150 calories per serving, which is 2 servings per container, so you can split that bar if you wanted to. So about 300 calories total. Protein is 3 grams. Carbs is 15 grams, with 7 of that being sugar. And again, 150 calories. So that's per serving, which there is 2 of them in there. All right. I think that's it, unless you consider bubble wrap an item, which, you know, it's fun in of itself. But anywho, moving along. So to recap, we've got the squeezable tubes here for travel. We've got the Kate's Real Food bar here. And then we have the travel plates bowl/cup. So this is actually pretty cool stuff. I mean, I don't know what the retail value on this is, but it looks like all this stuff is really quality. So I like that. And again, the food items from Cairn usually are fantastic. So I'm gonna give that a chew on here pretty soon, and I'm sure I'll enjoy it. So, all right, folks, this is Dub signing off. I'll catch you on the next one. Let me know what you think in the comments in the like section. Subscribe if you want to. And this is Dub signing off. Catch you on the next one.